Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your hairstyle on your pictures on the AirBrush application, such as changing your hair color, hairstyle, hairline and so on. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the camera icon or the library button to select a picture, and then you should tap on the hair icon down below or section, and you have a bunch of categories, so you can dye your hair, you can use this scale to adjust it, you have a bunch of colors that you can choose from. Here in the hairstyle section you can change your hairstyle, your hairline as well, and you can add bangs to your selfies. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.